Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video today we're going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Hyundai Sonata. This one is 2006 model, but it's the same from 06 until 2010 or 11. This is a 3.3 V6 engine and we're replacing the engine, so we decided to shoot the video and show you because otherwise there is not enough room on the side to show you guys. And now right here, this is the Serpentine belt. Oh, and this one right here is 19mm socket, and you need a big ratchet or breakover bar, and right now you just go counterclockwise to release the belt, and while you're applying pressure you need to remove the belt. And once you remove the belt, okay, now this is the new belt, and you start from the crankshaft right here, and then you go to the AC, and then from the AC you go to that pulley right there. Then you need to go to the alternator. From the alternator you need to go to the water pump, and then you need to go to this pulley, and last step is we have the power steering pump. And again, now you need to go there with that 19mm socket, turn counterclockwise, okay, and you need to install the belt on the last pulley. Make sure that all the pulleys align good, all the grooves are good, and that's pretty much how the belt is and the diagram. So if you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.